So yeah, till manual billing we are completed, right?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
We are okay. I've shown you how to create the manual billing using the transaction year 16 and how to release manual billing it for invoicing, and as well as how to delete it. When you delete it, billing or automatically it will be deleted right in the back end. These are the settings we have seen. Till here,
Yes.
do you have any problem, or no? Is it okay for you?
No, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. Now we'll discuss about the outsorting concept. Basically, outsorting it's not, in SAP in IS utilities, for each and every category we can define the limits. Okay, for example, if you take some rate categories like no, residential, industrial and commercial, different rate categories are existing for each and every company, right? So if you take a residential company, residential customers, so for the residential customers we can define what is the limit, no, minimum amount and as well as maximum amount. That limits we can define it over here, and we can assign these limits or this outsorting checking group at a contract level and as well as contract account level. Okay, so whenever we create a billing document or invoicing document, our amount should be within the limits. If it is not within the limits, the document will be outsorted. Okay.
Okay.
With using the outsorted document, we cannot process further. For example, if billing document have been outsorted, so using that billing document, we cannot do the invoice. Okay. So that is about the outsorting. For that, first initially we need to create the outsorting checking groups. Okay. So already they have someone has created. One as a residential customers and two as a non-residential customers. You can create 1000 as a Kolkata residential, and let's save it. And then here we are defined the outsorting checking group. This outsorting checking group, three places we can maintain. One is contract level, second one is contract account level, third one is rate category level.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll maintain 1000. See, this billing transaction, for each and every outsorting checking group, we can process like for billing process, like in a billing we have different billing transactions like periodic billing, interim billing, final billing, and move-in. These are the billing transactions we have. Okay, whenever we create a billing meter reading order, their meter reading reason will be there. Okay, like a period or week, if you are creating periodic billing, we will give the meter reading reason as a 01. If you are creating interim billing, there we will give the meter reading reason as a 02. If it is a final billing, we will give 03. Okay. So this outsorting checking group need to be activated, or from where we for what kind of billing transaction we this outsorting checking group need to be triggered. In some scenarios, like I don't want to trigger outsorting checking group for final billing. In that case, I don't select this final billing for more scenarios. Okay.
Okay.
So I don't want to trigger my outsorting checking group or for interim billing. So I don't assign this one. So if I wanted to trigger my outsorting checking group or this logic for periodic billing, then assign this one.
Okay. Okay.
So based on the requirement, basically clients will say for periodic billing only we need to check the outsorting checking group, outsorting limits. For interim billing or final billing or some other billings, it's not required. Basically, he will give the input. Based on the input, we can assign the proper one.
Okay.
And then billing validation. In the billing validation, basically, we'll give the amounts. We'll give the amounts. Okay. So when you give the billing validation as a amounts, then it will show as a minimum amount receivables, maximum amount receivables, or minimum amount credit memo, maximum amount credit memo. So what is our limit? Sometimes you can set as a 10,000 and as well as maximum amount as a 1 lakh. Like this, basically client will provide the details. What is the minimum amount? What is the maximum amount?
Okay.
So those amounts we can maintain it over here. This is a amount receivables. It's nothing but a customer will pay these amounts. So here it's not required. Okay. So basically customer will pay the amount like whatever the due amount is there, that amount only he will pay. So those cases it's not required to maintain. Just leave it.
Yeah.
Just maintain these two values and save it. And then manual billing outsorting is not required, just leave it. Now we'll see billing reversal is there. Okay, I'll show you where we need to maintain where we can maintain the outsorting checking group. /CA3. This is invoice amount. Okay. This is 1,000. When we are trying to assign some value in the contract account level, but we could not get it. What is the reason? Do you have any idea about it? See, we have done some configuration in a billing execution level. Okay. Here we have done the configuration for this, right? Outsorting. Okay. So initially what I have done, I went to contract account and I was trying to maintain some value, but I could not maintain it over there. Do you know the reason? Basically, the reason in billing will happen at contract account level. Okay.
Yeah.
And invoice will happen at a contract account level. So if you want to maintain some value in a contract account level, then we need to maintain these outsorting groups and everything under invoicing.
Okay.
So my minimum amount not here. Okay. At invoice level also I am assigning a 10,000 as a minimum amount and 1 lakh as a maximum amount. Okay.
Okay.
So it's in contract level, so we have assigned it. So at the time of whenever we create the bill, if the bill amount is within 10,000 and as well as within 1 lakh, then document will not be outsorted, and we can create the
Yeah.
we can process that billing document for invoicing. If
Okay.
the amount is not within the limits, then it will be outsorted. Okay, the
Okay.
same way at invoice level, whatever if you look into the configuration side, we have done the configuration at an invoicing node. Okay, invoice processing. Here we have done it. So whenever if you want to outsorting checking process, if you want to execute it at an invoice level, then we need to maintain this outsorting checking group at an contract account level. Just go to the change CAA2. Here invoice outsorting checking group, right? So here we need to maintain the data like this and then save it.
Okay.
Here is the place we can maintain it.
Okay.
Here you ask me, right, what is this outsorting checking group? Okay. So this is the same billing outsorting checking group you can maintain. So basically, we can maintain the outsorting checking group at in 3 places. One is at in
Yes.
contract level you can maintain. For if you maintain something at in contract level, it is specific to that contract only. It's not specific to the entire group. It's only specific to
Okay.
one person or one contract. And if you maintain something at the contract level, it will affect at in the billing level. Okay.
Okay.
Because the billing will happen at in contract level. And then we can create outsorting checking group for invoice also. So invoicing outsorting checking group we can maintain it in contract account level. Just because invoice will happen at in contract account level. And if you want to execute these outsorting checking group limits, okay, these limitations for entire group, like for entire rate category level, if you want to execute it, then maintain the outsorting checking group at in rate category level.
Okay.
Okay, this is the way it goes. if you know, first priority it goes to contract. Okay, at
Okay.
in billing level I'm talking about. Always
Mm-hmm.
first priority it goes to contract. If you maintain something in the contract based on the validation, the document will be outsorted. If you don't maintain anything, then it goes to rate category, and then rate category level it checks the outsorting group, and then based on the limitations, if the document is within the limits, then it will go for next process, otherwise the document will be outsorted.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the priority, contract and rate category. And invoice is altogether is a different, because invoice will happen in a contract account level, so we need to maintain the outsorting checking group at in contract account level, then only it will trigger it in the invoice level.
Okay.
This is what. Okay, now
Okay.
we'll create the master data, and then we'll see the move in and all. Okay, we'll create one billable
Okay. Okay.
contract, and then billing document
Mhm.
we'll create it today.
Okay.
So just to note it down, these are the things are important. Okay, so
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
creating a business partner, FPP1, that is the transaction.
Mm-hmm.
Shit, what happened?
Yes.
FPP1, that is the transaction code
Mm-hmm.
for creating a contract partner. It's a ISU business partner. Okay,
Yes.
then go to, it's a business partner I'm maintaining. See, this is the reference customer. Whenever we create a business ISU business partner, and in the backend SD customer also it will be created by default. For that,
Okay.
no, we have created one SD customer and assigned it in the configuration level. Because of that, SD customer will be created.
Okay.
And then just to save it.
Mhm.
So 192. We have created business partner as 192.
Yes.
So just copy it. And then after business partner, we need to create the contract account, right?
Yeah.
/CAA1. This
Mm.
is the transaction code
Yes.
for creating a contract account. So this is the contract account. Now, business master we have created. Now we need to create the technical master data.
Yeah.
Initially, we need to create a connection
Connection
object.
object. Yes.
Okay, for creating a connection object, the transaction code is ES55. Connection object 13 we have created. And then after connection object we need to create premise. Okay.
Device.
Hello.
Mhm.
Yep. For creating a
Yeah.
premise,
Hello. Yes.
the transaction code is ES60. Just
ES60.
go to ES60 and maintain premise type here. And save it. After premise, we need to create installation. Correct. So installation is basically ISU entity and it's specific to the premise. Okay. So we need to maintain the billing class here. The billing class which we have taken, I think 0001, right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
rate category we have created fixed charges flat underscore 01. Okay. And then come to the MRU. Do you remember MRU number? Tata, right? This
Yes.
one we have created. Okay. After this, just save it. Okay, so we have created the installation. This is the installation number. Save it. After this installation, then we need to do the move-in. I'll explain you, okay, because we are not completed device management and as well as customer service, move-in and move out this configuration. I'll explain you the configuration, everything, no, at the time of that topic. That is the reason I'm at present I am taking unmeasured billing. Okay, that's the reason flat rate I am taking and create one billing document. After CS everything, then entire scenario, you know, create device installation, full installation, and taking the readings and billing document, how consumption billing, all the scenarios we'll see. At present we'll see the flat rate billing. EC50E. For creating a move-in document, EC50E is the transaction code.
Yeah.
And then contract account or else BP. Anything you can take. I will take the contract account. Take this contract account and installation.
You are putting contract account in wrong place.
Oh.
It is not. It is business partner.
Correct.
Again, you have done something wrong actually. It is, I think, installation.
Okay. I'll take business partner.
192. Yes.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Actually, that tax determination code we need to assign. It's
Okay.
a FI setting. Okay, just let me assign that one at in the country level.
Yes, tax jurisdiction code.
Where?
Yeah, define tax jurisdiction code. Just below.
This one? No, it's Brazil. It's not for
Brazil. Yeah.
India. It's specific to the Brazil. Actually, there will be one transaction code where we'll assign the tax codes or tax procedure at the country level. There we need to remove it. Correct. This is the transaction code. OBBG. Okay. See, now moving as created. So if you go to the installation level, this is our installation, right? So, hello Manojit, are you there? Yeah. Hello. Okay. See, this is the installation. Whenever, okay, whenever moving happens,
I am here.
So
Hello.
it's right. Okay. See, installation always is specific to the premise. Okay, this is the premise, and whenever moving happens, contract automatically, it's a billable contract. This is a billable contract.
Yeah.
It's been creating automatically, and this is the business partner. Okay, this is about the installation. This is the way to create the contract. No, at the time of moving configuration and all, I'll explain you more about the contract and what is the configuration and what are the fields that need to be maintained and all. Now, as of now, we'll check this way.
Okay.
Now we have created billable contract, right? So using the billable contract, we can create the billing document.
Okay.
Okay. So just copy the installation. /n EL01 /n EL01, for creating a billing document, initially we should require a meter reading order with reference to meter reading order, and then billing order will be generated. For that we need to, in a normal real time, what will happen, they'll upload the meter reading results. So for that initially they create meter reading order, then they upload the meter reading results, and billing order will be generated with results. Using this billing order, they create a billing document and as well as invoice. This is the process, how it goes. So we are doing the individual process. So we'll create one by one. See, is the meter reading order. Now what we are creating, it's a meter reading order. Just open the installation. If you go to the billing periods level, no, here you can see, here there is no billing, billing documents, and as well there is no billing order, right? So if you create meter reading order over here, okay, F4. So we have generated the readings. So this is reading order I am creating, because I have done the moving on 1st January 2012, right? So just create the order. So we have created the order. Okay.
Yes.
Since it's a, if you refresh this one, here billing order will be generated.
Yeah.
You refresh it. So see.
Yes.
Usually, if we install a meter for installation, then we need to maintain the meter reading results for this for that particular customer. But since we are creating it's a flat rate billing, it's a fixed charges. You can say it's a unmeasured billing. Unmeasured billing in the sense that there will be no device at all. So without a device, we can create the bill for the customer.
Just like a street light.
correct, street light customers.
Mhm.
Okay, so we have created the meter reading order, and as well as the billing order also has been generating. Now we need to create the bill for this. So EASIBI is the transaction code
EDB,
for
yes.
creating a billing. Okay, so this is the way to create a billing order. I'll show you one more thing. /n EA00. Here also using this transaction code also we can create the billing, and as well as we can analyze everything. For this
Okay.
initially just click on this one. 8,01,000 is the installation, right? Yes.
Mhm.
Use this transaction EA00 instead of
Okay.
using EASIBI,
Mhm.
because here you can perform so many activities. You can simulate the
Okay.
bill, you can simulate the period, you can reverse the billing document if it is required, you can view all existing billing orders, everything you can see from here.
Okay.
So if any existing billing order is there, it will be appeared over here. If it's not there, if meter reading results are implausible or something, then you cannot see the billing order over here. Okay. In
Okay.
that case, just go back and use the transaction EL27, then
Mhm.
make the results as a implausible. Then
Okay.
transfer billing. You need to select the line item
Mhm.
and then transfer billing. Now we have transferred the billing. Now we need to create the bill for the customer.
Mhm.
So I'm taking the 31/01/2012. That is the date, because my
Mhm.
end billing date is the 30th January. I'm executing it. It may throw the error because we have not done the account determination and all. See, it's a invoice level. There is a one setting for tax determination. Tax determination. You wanted to determine tax determination at in billing level or invoice level where you want to execute the tax. These are the settings are there. So I'm not executing any tax over here. Okay, now we'll see. Usually, when you if working as a functional consultant, you will be getting these kind of errors. So you need to find it out where error
Okay.
is getting. Just go to that configuration and fix it. Same, right? This one and this one. Okay. See here, basically we have used the company code 0001, right? It's a German. I mean, it's a SAP. So their euros are the currency. So we'll use the euros, but we have assigned the price INR. So that is the Euro INR conversion will be there. So these all these conversions and everything, FI consultant will do it. As of now, we'll use Euro, okay, and then we'll create
Okay.
the we'll change it. We are not activated deregulation. Why it's asking? Oh. Usually we need not to do anything over here. We are not activating the this deregulation concept, so it's not required to do anything. Someone has configured these are the settings. Okay, so let me I'll check with this, and then tomorrow. Actually, these are the settings are not required. Whenever if we create a deregulated scenario, those cases only those kind of scenarios we will be activating IDE. Those kind of scenarios, so we need to configure all these things. Otherwise, it's not required. Someone has given these are the parameters. It's not required basically. That is the reason system is throwing this error. So let me check it. Okay.
Okay.
Dialog control and process control. These are the things it's asking. Actually, this dialog control and process control is not required. For we are not activating the deregulated settings, so we should not do it actually. So someone has entered some settings over here, so we need to delete it. I'll check it up and delete it. Okay, and then tomorrow we'll create the billing document, and then we'll see the billing reversal and outsorting settings and everything. Okay. Actually, yesterday, I did not get power over here. Some power problem was there, so No, sorry
Yeah,
for
yeah, yeah. I know. I
I made you to
know.
wait for
Sai
some
told me.
time. Yeah.
No, no problem. No problem.
Yeah.
It happened. It happened. Yes, it happened.
Yeah. I thought that by evening it will be, we'll get the power, but we did not get it. So that's the problem. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see the
Okay.
remaining settings and I'll fix it up. This one. Uh, do you have?
Okay. So tomorrow,
Are you practicing
tomorrow
it in your
8:30?
client system? Yeah. Tomorrow at
Yes, yes,
8:30. Acha, it in your client system you are practicing.
yes.
Are you creating rates, rate category, rate definition,
Yeah,
everything?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. Usually, when you create it, after creating something, then delete it also. Okay. Don't keep it that
Yeah.
one.
No, no. There is
Yeah.
actually a sandbox is there. I am not going to transport anything.
Yeah. You cannot transport the rates your billing master. Okay. So only thing is that we need to download and upload the master data. I'll show you that one. Okay. But
Okay,
thing is that
okay.
your development quality and production system should be sync.
Hmm.
Okay, so my suggestion is don't do it because everything if you do it with your user ID it will be recorded,
Uh,
so you will be in trouble. That's what. Okay,
yes.
so
Okay.
when if you try something in the client system, delete it immediately.
Yeah.
That one you can do it. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Manoj. Thank you. Bye.